Hello everyone, here's Meljanka again with Jenner 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Remember, today we're in day number 12 of your 21-day challenge. And we're continuing with a sequence of muscles. Therefore, today we're going to be doing back. And I have a surprise for you. For those of you who don't have weights, or weights are a little bit intimidating for you, we're going to be working the back muscles without any weights, therefore your own body weight. And this is the simplest way of working them. However, don't be fooled by it because it's pretty hard. Therefore, we're going to be doing only one song for it. And I'm going to show the option for pregnant people and for regular people because we are going to be on our belly. All right. So without further ado, let's get the music ready for cardio and get your mat quickly because we're going to do that afterwards. Okay. Okay, we're ready. Remember, the cardio portion is always freestyle. You can do what I do, or you can do your own thing. Just have fun. Ready? Working the back muscles. Starting with big shoulder rolls, which is creating kind of a figure eight right on the back. Good job. Bring your elbows high. Go low. Good job. Nice and easy. All right, my friends. Another way of getting those back muscles fired up is by twisting. Yes. Good. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breaths. Yes. All right. Now we're gonna cross it low. Reaching down. Good. Extend both arms. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Big circle. Well, not a full circle, semi-circle. Again, drop chest, lift chest, squeezing the lower back. All right, now leave the knee. Now the way that we're working those back muscles is by kind of crunching forward, yeah? It's also working the front of the body. In 4, in 3, and 2. Now take it back. You can lift your feet in a curl way, or you can really push it back and feel the squeeze on the back of your legs. Go for 8 more. Yes. Now we're gonna go a little bit lower and lift chest higher. Good. Get ready for the side to side going down. I would like for you to feel how you have a semi-crunch here, yeah? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now look at this. Reach up. Breathe. Is your heart pumping already? That's how it goes. Good job. Now, same movement, just extend the back leg. Yes. You're gonna feel it right away on your glutes. But you know, the glutes is part of the posterior chain muscles. All right, everybody. Woo! Go low. Almost there. Yes. Wonderful job. Ooh, I'm already breathing hard. Let's get ready for the back muscle strength portion of the class. So grab your mat. So want to make sure that you have time to arrange your mat. So listen, I'm going to start with the level for pregnant women, which is in an all four position or horse stance position. Okay, here we go. Knees under hips, hands under shoulders. Good. I love that song, right? Okay, the simplest way to work the core and back muscles is doing this typical movement called cat and cow. So we go down, down, up, and up. That will fire them up pretty quick. Good job. All right, so pregnant women, we're gonna do bird dogs, which is opposite leg, opposite arm. Try to keep your hip leveled to the floor. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you drop. Good job. Now pulses at the top. 3, 2, 1, and down. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good job, guys. Good job, ladies. Awesome. Drop. That's it. So for pregnant women, you can continue with that same sequence. The rest of you, go to your belly. Look at this. Extend. Feet and arms all the way. We're gonna do Supermans. Lift, feet, and hands. And relax. I promise you're gonna feel this pretty soon. Inhale, 2 and 2. Exhale as you drop. Inhale and exhale. Into the nose, out through the mouth. Good job. Yes, ready for those pulses? Triple roll. 3, 2, 1, and down. Now try to go as high as you can. Are you feeling it? I told you. Good job. Awesome. Now look at this. Lift, squeeze, release, and go down. One more time. Inhale. Bend and squeeze the elbows to the back. Shoulder blades. Single time. Up. Almost on, almost on. One more time. Great job. How about that? I know you felt it. So again, because we're just testing things around, now you know how it feels. I would challenge you to do one more song and repeat the whole sequence and see how your body reacts to it. Yes? Let's do the stretching portion of this class. This is a short class actually, but it's effective. My back is already fired up. So we're gonna continue with the back stretching and some yoga poses. Very popular and well-known yoga poses. Here we go. The way that we really stretch the back muscles, including the legs. Ooh, I felt my spine cracking. I hope you did too. So this is it. We're already stretching. All right. Now try bending your knees and push your chest towards the knees or the legs and feel it more. Nice. All right. Look at me. When I come down, do child pose. I'm gonna try to twist to one side of the room, okay? We can do it by just opening and then wrapping the top arm behind the back, opening the chest. This is plenty, but if you want more, you can try to go lower. Can you feel the contraction? Yes, doesn't it squeeze on the back muscles? Breathe in, breathe out. Nice job. And when you're ready, just release. We're gonna do it on the other side. Again. And then wrap, open, big, and then go low. Yes, hold it right there for a few seconds. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Awesome. So when you are done, very softly undo the pose and look the other way that we're gonna stretch the back muscles. And also at the same time, the legs. Lunge and shoulder to knee, open and twist. If you want more than this, bring the toes, tuck them in and push through the heel. It feels so good. If you want even more, you can wrap the lower back and look to the ceiling for a few seconds, guys. Awesome. Change it. So we're gonna go around, open. You can be right on your knee, but if you want more, just go for it. Open big. Breathe. It feels so good. All right, my friends, when you're ready, you can drop. Oh. Put your hands down and feet together and super slowly roll up all the way until you stretch and do a baby back bend, squeezing, releasing, hands to your heart center. And then you are officially done with the class. Super fast, very effective. You can practice this over and over until you feel safe and you feel comfortable to try a new class in a gym setting. All right? Thank you so much for being here. See you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.